How to see deleted messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let me tell you that unfortunately, if you have completely deleted the message, then there is no way you can see it again. But sometimes people archive the message and think that it is deleted. But archive messages can be recovered. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app, and then you'll need to head over to the menu icon in the bottom right, and then you'll see archive there. Just tap on it, and archive messages will appear here. Uh, Archiving keeps chats out of the way without deleting them. So, this is where the archive section is. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.